How to log in WhatsApp on tablet 2026. So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to log in WhatsApp on tablet 2026. So let me tell you, you can easily log into WhatsApp on your tablet using the companion mode. This lets you link your tablet to your existing phone without needing a separate phone number. So the first thing what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store or on your Android tablet or the Apple App Store on your iPad. Then download the WhatsApp. Once you downloaded it, open the app and then tap agree and continue. Now, if it asks for a phone number, look for and then tap the three dots in the top right corner and then tap link as a companion device. Now, a QR code will just appear on the screen. Now, open the WhatsApp on your primary phone and then go to link a device. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code on your tablet and your chats will instantly sync. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.